Good morning, everyone, in 12th grade English. I told you that I would update you as soon as I knew anything about final exams and grades and end of the year and things like that. And Principal Stidham sent out an email to your parents, or you, if you put your name on the parent contact list, and to teachers yesterday. So I wanted to update you with what I know and what we now know about how final grades will be calculated. Um, Last day for you is next Friday, May 8th. My grades are due in Power Schools on Monday, May 12th by 8 a.m., which means you can't hand anything in on Monday. And if you hand it in on Sunday, it's going to be really tight. What I would love to be able to do, because we were originally thinking that was final exam week, there won't be final exams. Let me explain to you how they are intending on grading this stuff. Um, Here's what I have, and this is directly from Principal Stidham. They met with the school board, and this is what we're doing. So let me get up here. To graduate, you need to pass all required credits for the program of study and have at least a 2.0 grade point average. You will have your final grade for the year calculated by using an average of the 4 quarter grades for 1 credit courses, which English is. So, in other words, whatever you earned first quarter plus second quarter plus third quarter plus this quarter, add all that, divide by 4, and that's going to be your grade for the year. It's not remarkably different than what we've done in the past, except there will not be a separate final exam grade calculated in there. Final exams used to be a percentage of your semester grade. That's not going to happen this year because of obviously the coronavirus and the closing of schools moving to off-campus online learning. So, what that means for you, it means that your final project, which is that graduation speech that I've gotten some really good uh, drafts and some really good ideas that you guys have had. What it means for you is that's just going to be part of your 4th quarter grade. If you are behind, if you are missing assignments, go through Power Schools, see where the zeros are. Let me know if you can't find the assignment. I will send it to you. I will direct you to it. If you go into assignments, it's only going to show the last 5 or so. There's a little red line up at the top that actually is clickable, little red words that say show late assignments or show past due assignments, I think it says. If you click on that, it'll show you all the assignments and you can scroll up and down. I'll take late work. I'm not looking to fail anyone. Um, but go back through. I know some of you have viewed assignments but not turned them in. I'm going through the grade book this week and putting zeros in where I don't have work for you. If you sometimes I've gotten things where it looks like you've turned it in, but when I click on it, there isn't anything there because you either miss the attachment or attach something blank. So go back through Power Schools, see where you have spots missing. Don't, let's be honest, none of the work is all that grueling. I'm not trying to torture anybody, but I think those assignments will help you with the graduation speech. I'd love the graduation speeches this week. If you need the weekend or you need part of next week, you absolutely can have that. Since it's not a final exam, I don't have to get it in ahead of time. But the earlier, obviously, you get it in, the more time I have to give you the grade you deserve. And maybe that's a good thing, maybe that's a bad thing for you, I'm not sure. What I would love to do is, and I'll take ideas in the post section or by chat, whatever. What I'd love to do is have several of you, all of you, some of you, 2 of you, I don't know, is have you record it and offer to allow me to post the recording, record it and upload it to YouTube and make it available that I can share the links with the class. And I'd love for us to kind of, I don't know, share each other's experience. I know this whole coronavirus and learning from home and missing out on a lot of your memories of senior year is hard on a lot of people. And I think one of the best things we can do is come together and share our thoughts and not be so isolated, not be, even though we're in, coronavirus, semi stay at home, lockdown, quarantine, connect a little bit and be more together. So if you would give me permission to show your videos, I would love to do that. And then next week, maybe as people are continuing to turn in their final projects, uh, they could send them as videos and we could watch them together and experience a little bit of camaraderie during these difficult times. Um, my graduation speech to you guys, I posted last Friday. If you want to go back and look at it, that'd be good. I think about 35 people watched it, but one of those might have been my mom. So some of you haven't watched that video, and if you didn't watch that one, you might not watch this one either. So me telling you to watch a video on a video that you may not watch is perhaps a little silly. Sorry I've been out on the videos lately. My couple of family things going on. My dad's in the hospital. Uh, we'll see how that goes. I don't know. He went in for some heart surgery and it didn't go as well as they had hoped. So, but I'm still here because, what else are you going to do, right? Life throws unimaginable circumstances at you sometimes. And like the wear sunscreen, don't worry, or worry if you must, but realize it's as effective as chewing bubblegum to solve an algebra equation. It gives you something to do, but it doesn't get you any closer to the solution. Uh, Points to take away. May 8th, final day. May 12th, my grades are due. Please go through Power Schools, see where you're missing something, work towards completing those. You must pass English to graduate. You need fourth quarter. Uh, they're going to average first, second, third, and fourth quarter together, and that'll be your final grade for the year. If you have any questions, chat, email, whatever way it's easy for you to get a hold of me. And I hope y'all have a fantastic Wednesday and keep working on those speeches. If you need anything, let me know. Please make sure that you meet the requirements. It must be 3 pages typed, and you must use 3 sources, either from the speeches and poems and articles that we've covered in the past 2 weeks, or something you found. I mean, if you find something better, please use that, and then record it. And if you're brave and willing to be vulnerable with all of us, give me permission to share it with the class. I think that'd be really very helpful. I think we all could use a little classroom time where we get to see each other. So anyways, happy Wednesday. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. Talk to you soon.